Welcome to episode 48 of 100 Days of Data. I'm Jonas, an AI professor here to explore the foundations of data and AI with you.
And I, Amy, an AI consultant, excited to bring these concepts to life with stories and practical insights. Glad you're joining us.
AI isn't here to replace us, it's here to be our partner, augmenting what humans can do rather than making us obsolete.
Absolutely, Jonas. I love how this changes the conversation from fear of being replaced to curiosity about how humans and machines can truly work together.
Let's start with the idea of augmentation itself. Augmentation, in the AI context, means enhancing human abilities by providing tools that assist cognition, decision-making, and action. It's about combining the strengths of machines and humans. The phrase human+machine captures this synergy.
Right. And this isn't just theoretical. I've seen this boost performance in industries from healthcare, where doctors now use AI to spot early signs of disease, to automotive, where assembly line workers get AI-powered assistance to avoid errors.
Historically, the concept of augmentation predates AI. In the late 1950s, pioneers like Douglas Engelbart imagined a future where computers would amplify human intellect, not replace it. This was called Augmented Intelligence, a more collaborative vision than the traditional artificial intelligence.
That's an important distinction. In my consulting work, I stress to clients that framing AI as augmentation rather than automation changes the whole mindset. Instead of jobs lost, we talk about jobs transformed and made more fulfilling.
Exactly. Another foundation of augmentation lies in understanding cognitive load. Humans can only process so much information at once. AI systems can quickly analyze vast data sets and surface critical insights, allowing humans to focus on judgment, creativity, and empathy.
I recently worked with a finance team struggling to detect fraud fast enough. We introduced AI that flagged suspicious transactions in real time. Instead of replacing fraud analysts, the AI acted as a first filter. The analysts then focused their expertise where it mattered most. This cut review times by over 40%.
That's a perfect example. The data-driven capabilities of AI, such as pattern recognition at scale, complement human intuition and domain expertise perfectly. It mirrors the idea of symbiosis, both parties benefiting each other.
Though I want to highlight one challenge here. Sometimes businesses expect AI to magically handle everything, forgetting the human part. True augmentation means designing workflows where human judgment remains central. It's not a plug-and-play magic box.
That's true, and from a theoretical perspective, we often discuss the difference between automation and augmentation by looking at the level of autonomy the AI has. Automation tries to replace human decision-making in well-defined repetitive tasks. Augmentation focuses on helping humans make better decisions, especially under uncertainty.
One company I worked with in retail used AI-powered customer insights to help sales teams personalize offers. The AI suggested product bundles based on behavior patterns, but the salespeople still decided how to approach the client. This personalized touch built stronger relationships, something pure automation would miss.
Building on that, the collaboration between human and machine can be visualized as a loop. The AI provides suggestions or alerts, the human responds, and their feedback can train the AI further. This continuous interaction forms a virtuous cycle of improvement.
Yes, and that loop is key to adoption. When employees see AI as a partner that enhances their skills rather than threatens them, resistance drops. In healthcare, for instance, radiologists expressed initial skepticism toward AI's role in diagnostics, but after seeing how AI helped catch subtle anomalies they might miss, acceptance grew.
This highlights the importance of transparency and explainability. Augmentation requires AI systems to provide outputs that humans can understand and trust. Black box models without explanations can actually hinder collaboration.
Exactly, Jonas. In one financial services project, we made sure the AI's recommendations came with clear reasons, like which data points triggered an alert. This transparency empowered analysts to validate and confidently act on AI insights.
Another interesting framework to consider is the idea of centaurs, borrowed from chess. Human players paired with AI often outperform both solo humans and solo machines. The centaur model exemplifies human+machine collaboration in problem solving.
I love that example. It reminds me of how in manufacturing, experienced technicians use AI tools to detect anomalies on equipment lines early on. The AI spots patterns invisible to the naked eye, and the human decides the next maintenance steps, preventing costly downtime.
So when we talk about the future of work, it's not humans competing against AI, but humans working alongside AI, each doing what they do best. This shifts how organizations must think about training, roles, and culture.
And it means investing in people's ability to interact with AI, learning how to interpret its outputs, question its recommendations, and feed it new data. One client transformed their workforce by combining AI upskilling with domain expertise, leading to a 25% productivity boost.
Exactly. Another lesson, AI and human augmentation is about collaboration, not competition. Machines can provide speed, scale, and pattern recognition. Humans bring intuition, ethics, and emotional intelligence.
And in the real world, this partnership plays out as smarter healthcare diagnoses, faster fraud detection, personalized retail experiences, and more efficient manufacturing. It's a future where AI empowers us to do better work, not just different work.
Key takeaway, augmentation means blending human strengths with AI capabilities to create something greater than either alone.
And from my side, remember, successful AI adoption hinges on designing workflows that truly integrate humans at the center, leveraging AI as a powerful tool, not a replacement.
Next time on 100 Days of Data, we'll dive into a hot topic, the singularity debate. We'll explore what it means and why it matters for AI's future.
If you're enjoying this, please like or rate us 5 stars in your podcast app. We'd love to hear your thoughts or questions about augmentation or AI in your work. Drop us a comment and maybe we'll feature it in an upcoming episode.
Until tomorrow, stay curious, stay data-driven.